Question 2. An investor purchased a 91-day $100,000 T-bill on its issue date for $99,204.52. After holding it for 66 days, she sold the T-bill for a yield of 2.45%. Part A. What was the original yield of the T-bill? Part B. For what price was the T-bill sold? Part C. What rate of return per annum did the investor realize while holding this T-bill? For part A, to find the original yield of the T-bill, we're going to use the formula S equals to P times 1 plus RT. Looking at the question, the first number, 91 days, the 91 days give us T equals to 91 over 365. And then the next number, 100,000, that represent S. And then the 99,204.52, that is RP. Then we're going to plug in the number to solve for R. So we have 100,000 equals to 99,204.52 times bracket 1 plus R bracket 91 divided by 365, and then we close the bracket. And then we rearrange the formula, then we have 100,000 divided by 99,204.52 equals to 1 plus R times 91 over 365. And then we're going to solve for R, and then we get 0.03216, which is 3.22%, and that's part A. For part B, to find how much the T-bill was sold for, we're going to use the formula S equals to P times 1 plus RT, and then we're going to solve for P. So we know that the yield on the T-bill is 2.45%, and for the 66 days, what we're going to do with it is that we're going to take 91 minus 66 to give us 25 days, and our T will then be 25 over 365. So next we're going to plug in a number. We have 100,000 equals to P times 1 plus 0.0245 times 25 over 365. And then we're going to rearrange the formula and we're going to solve for P. So we have P equals to 100,000 divided by bracket 1 plus bracket 0.0245 times 25 over 365, close brackets. And then what we're going to get is that we're going to get P equals to 99,832.47. And that's part B. For part C, to find the investor rate of return, we're going to use the same formula, S equals to P times 1 plus RT, and then we're going to solve for R. So from the investor's perspective, he sold the T-bill for 99,832.47. So that is the S, that's the maturity value. And then his present value is how much he bought it for, which is 99,204.52. And then he held it for 66 days, so T is 66 over 365. So we're going to plug in the number. We have 99,832.47 equals to 99,204.52 times bracket 1 plus R times 66 over 365, close bracket. Then we're going to rearrange the formula. We're going to have 99,832.47 divided by 99,204.52 equals to 1 plus R times 66 over 365. And then we're going to solve for R, and then we're going to get 0.035, which is 3.5%, and that's part C.